Today, I'll show you how to create an account on the WES website. WES, or World Education Services, is one of the agencies we use to evaluate our educational credentials. Let's walk through the process. This is the official WES site, where we'll create our account. If you already have an account, you can simply log in. Otherwise, click on New to WES. Create an account to get started. Here you will be asked the question, where will you use your evaluation? US or Canada? I am selecting Canada for now. If someone wants to do a credential assessment for higher studies, they will go to the WES Standard Application option. But if we want to do WES for Immigration or IRCC, we will go to the EC Application for IRCC option. Click on Start Application. Enter your email ID here. Whatever your email ID is, you will get a verification code to your mentioned email ID. You have to fill the verification code here. Let's submit it. Let's continue. Here, you'll need to fill in the required details, such as your name and your date of birth. I'll demonstrate by entering the information once. You'll also be asked if you have a WES reference number. If you don't have one yet, simply select No. You have to enter your password here. Re-enter your password. You can select any of the security questions here. It's up to you. Select the questions that you remember. I clicked on Create Account here. Your account is being created. These are the details that you have filled. You have to fill your gender and your phone number with country code. Next. Your account has been created. You have to upload your credentials here. You have to add your credentials here. If you have a master's degree, you can check your documents here. You can check which documents you have to submit here. Here are the required documents. I selected Canada. Applying for IRCC. Your country. Your education. Status of your education. Type of education. Have you taken education from a university or state board? Fill your type of education. Which degree do you want to apply for? If I want to apply for a master's degree, type the name of the institute. Type the name of the diploma. Type the name of the diploma or degree for which you want to apply. Type the name of the diploma or degree for which you want to apply. Click on View Requirements. It will give you the requirements. You have to submit your bachelor's degree documents with your master's degree. There are 5 exceptional cases. Master of Education. Master of Engineering. Master of Philosophy. Master of Technology. Master of Computer Application. Those who have to submit their master's degree, they don't have to apply for a bachelor's degree. These are the 5 exceptional cases. The requirement of the degree certificate. This is a clear, legible photocopy of the final or provisional degree certificate. This should be a clear photocopy of your certificate. You can upload a clear degree certificate here. After that, the statement of marks. This will be issued by your university. You can send this photocopy to your university in a sealed envelope. This is the best option. The university will take the courier charges from you. They will send it directly to Canada WES. They will take the courier charges from you. These days, they are also sending courier charges online. They may not take courier charges from you. If your university does not send it directly, they will send a sealed envelope to your home or mailing address. Without opening the sealed envelope, you will have to send a courier to Canada WES. These are the two options to send it. After doing all this, start the application. Go to Start Application. Continue application. Review your personal details once again. We will click on Next. From here, we have to click on Add Credential. We clicked on the required document earlier. Now we will add our documents. Your country of education is India. Type of education is university. I am applying for a master's degree. Name of institution. Name of diploma or certificate. Enter your name as in your certificate. Name of field of study. You know this from your certificate. When did you complete your degree certificate? What is your time period? Save this. You can make changes to it if you want to edit any information. If you want to add another degree, such as a bachelor's degree in addition to the master's, you'll need to include it here unless you fall under an exception case. After that, all you need to do is click Next to. After doing Next, add your address. This is where you'll provide your mailing address for the report. Here, select whether you want your report to be sent via international courier or standard post. After that, now here this is your report and where you want to send from here. We are sending to IRCC so that your report goes directly to IRCC. Second, if you want to send this report somewhere else, suppose you are applying for a job from some agency, so if your report goes directly to agency, then you can add it here in Add Recipients. Now you can check this is your total fee. After this you can check your information whatever you have filled. After this, it will be difficult to change. From this point, you'll find an academic record request form, which you'll need when applying for transcripts from your university. You have to fill all these columns very carefully and you have to put your signature and date. You don't have to fill anything below this. This will be filled by your university. At last you have to mention your reference number here. You can download this form. This will be useful to send to your university where you have to apply for transcripts now. We're almost done. After this, you'll see the address where you need to apply for transcripts. This is the address of WES, the agency where your report will be sent. Click Next. Here check all these boxes you have to agree, then click Next. You have to check I confirm. Then confirm. Here, you'll be asked if you're a resident of Canada or not. Next, click Continue. Here, you'll see the final fees. You'll need to select your preferred payment method from the available options and submit your payment. After submitting your payment, a reference number will be generated. You'll need this reference number when applying for transcripts at your university. I hope this video helps you create a WES account and complete your registration. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll do my best to answer them. We're here to help. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Thank you so much.